How's it going, guys? I'm back again with another video, and this one's a little special. It's something for you guys. I got 5 tips on how to get better at Fortnite fast. Alright, just a side note for those guys that are like, yo, Kyle, Fortnite's been out for so long, what do you mean you're gonna give us tips and tricks? This is a video for anybody who needs guidance, who's struggling, or even some people who are just starting to play the game right now. I mean, like, you never know. So these are some quick tips and tricks. Even if you're a great guy or you're a pro at this game, these could be like something you've never known, and it could help you out. Alright, so tip number 1 is picking a location to land. So what I'm talking about is when you're first entering the map, you're on the battle bus, and you're getting ready to drop down like Tilted Towers or wherever your favorite spot is. My tip is take a look at the back of the bus. You're gonna see people dropping out, people flying out, and you can kind of like roughly count it. So in this example, we got like, 10 people dropping Snobby, then you're gonna have like your group of 20 people dropping Tilted, and then you're like, oh, okay, so we got like, 40 people, 40% of the people dropping on this side of the map. How about I drop it like Lucky Landing, and then like no one's gonna be there, and you're gonna have better chances of surviving. So another way to look at it is like, if you're always dying at the start of the game, dropping Tilted Towers, you're dying in 30 seconds, dropping Tilted Towers again, dying in 30 seconds, that's not fun. You kinda wanna, if you wanna go for the win, then try and drop somewhere where there's not as many people. Let's say you got 80 people on the north side of the map. How about you drop where there's like 2 people on the bottom side of the map? So you could take them out, and then after the first 2 minutes of the game is done, you got like top 25, and you got a better chance of winning. Picking your location is pretty key. Alright, here's tip number 2. It's how to drop. So I got a little clip right here for you guys, and it's a little difficult to explain, so bear with me. So essentially, when you're free falling, that's the only time you could decide how fast vertically you could go. When you enter the parachute stage, you cannot decide how fast you drop vertically. You're gonna stay kind of like, it's like a slow decline. So in this clip I show one video drops straight down and you get to the ground faster. The other one, it kind of glides and you're kind of slowing yourself down. So the tip here is to get to the ground as fast as possible. The faster you drop down, the faster you enter your parachute stage, and the faster you get to the ground to pick up a weapon, to pick up a gun. Alright, so tip number 3 is location. What I mean by location is that you wanna always be checking your map. You wanna be aware of where people are. You wanna be aware of where the big cities, the big drop locations are, and you just want to be always aware of what could happen. So for example, in this clip I have here, I'm in Tomato Town and I'm outside the circle. So my first objective is to get into the circle so I'm not in the storm. Then I gotta look at, we got Retail Row south of me, we got Anarchy north of me, and we have a couple places behind me like Lonely Lodge, etc. So you want to kind of think, we could get people attacking me from the south, we get people attacking me from the north, and people coming from behind me. So you want to always be aware of where people are. Using this kind of method, it'll help you out. Let's say you got some good weapons, like let's say you got a Scar, and you got full health, you're ready to pounce on somebody. So you could use this method, and let's say you got like Retail Row south of you, you could head over there, find somebody, and wipe them out. Vice versa, let's say you have like low health, you don't have the greatest stuff, you gotta like, med up, then you could use this tactic to avoid big cities, avoid fights that you don't want to get into. So using location and being aware of where big cities, where people could come from, could help you win the game. So the next tip number 4, is aiming and shooting. So this is a big one. It's kind of, if you can't aim and shoot, then you're never gonna win. So it's a big topic. I got 3 small tips to help you guys out. So number 1 is basically, You just gotta practice. Practice and practice and practice, because without practice, you're not gonna be able to play. Like for example, if I don't play Fortnite for a week and I come back, then it's gonna take me like half a day to get like in my prime again. So you gotta always be playing like, you know, an hour a day or whatever, and just always grinding a little bit to keep your shape up. So the second small tip that I have for you guys is going through your settings and adjusting your sensitivity. Fortnite, for example, I used to play with 4 on X and 4 on Y, but you know, I slowly started to raise it because they recently put the jetpack in, so I actually started playing on 6 on the X and 7 on the Y. The reason being is, you know, you got the jetpack going up in the air, you want to like, instead of going slowly sideways, you want to improve that like Y so you could like shoot up and hit him. So that's like a little small tip. So you want to play with the settings, you want to see what you're comfortable with, try it with like a high sensitivity, and then try it with a low one, and you gotta sacrifice a couple games and figure out what the sweet spot is. Once you find the sweet spot, then you can keep practicing, and then once you just start melting, kids, you're gonna feel so good about yourself. And tip number 3 is, since I play on console has aim assist. You aim into a character, you will actually see that the crosshairs move a little bit, and you could actually abuse that a little bit. So for example, if someone's running and they're kind of far away from you, you could aim in and out, and your crosshair will follow the guy instead of using your joystick. So like if you're uncomfortable or you want to readjust to get that 100% first accuracy shot, then you could do that, because that's really helpful. So I got a clip for you guys here. I'll show you how it's done. Yeah. Whew. That's a lot of talking. Alright, so we're at the final tip. Tip number 5, and if you guessed it, finally, is building. So building is massive in Fortnite, and a while back, like 2 months ago, Fortnite gave console players an update, and it was Builder Pro. So back in the day, we had to use Combat Pro or some other ones. I never used those other ones. I don't care about those. Those were ass. To me, they were ass. I couldn't use them. So basically, Combat Pro was you had to press R1 and L1 to switch from like staircase to wall to floor, and then you had to press R2 to build it. And it was a huge hassle. Like you actually looked like you couldn't do anything. You were there spinning, and then you had to like stand there for 2 seconds, and it was horrible. So my tip is, for building on console, switch to Builder Pro. Builder Pro, each building material, wall, staircase, has its own button, and you could press it so much faster and build so much faster. So I got a clip right here for you guys. I'm gonna put them side by side, and you will see the difference in speeds. So there you have it. So Combat Pro is pretty slow. I even messed up in that clip, I think. It's not effective anymore. So the tip here is switch to Builder Pro. It might be a little awkward at the start because you're gonna have to, you know, adjust different buttons. You're gonna have to sacrifice a couple games, maybe a couple hours, but I'm telling you, it'll help you so much. So switch to Builder Pro if you want to win. So there you go, guys. Those are my 5 tips on how to get better on Fortnite fast. And remember, this is for console. I mean, you could use these tips for any platform, but some of them are a little more like tweaked for console. So just to refresh, so one was look at the back of the bus, see where people are landing, and if you want to land somewhere remote, it'll give you a better chance to win. Number 2 was how to drop. Remember, you want to drop straight down and get to the ground as fast as possible. Number 3, location. You want to keep looking at your mini-map. You want to be aware of where people are. You want to like be prepared if people are coming at you, or you could avoid them and get yourself in the top 10 and potentially win a game. Number 4 was a big topic, shooting and aiming. So a couple things there was to adjust your sensitivity, keep playing, because if you keep playing, that's going to be the best way, the best remedy, medicine, whatever you want to call it, to improve your aiming, to improve your skills. And then last one, number 5, was building. So on console, switch to Builder Pro, spend a couple games, drop on the side of the map, practice your building, and I'm telling you, you'll be like the next Myth or Ninja, just climbing, making skyscrapers and whatever your heart desires. Builder Pro will do that for you. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, please subscribe. If you have any questions about the tips, leave a comment. If you guys want me to explain something with more detail or make a single video on, let's say, shooting, please leave a comment below. If I get a lot, I can work something out. I can make something for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And guys, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you later. Peace.